Capping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna. Bouncing nothing, I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water. Guys, see yours out, got me back.
Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, we will be constructing this wig right here. So if you guys want to see how I achieve that, please be sure to keep watching and let's begin. So I am going to start by showing you guys the hair. I can't remember the store that I got this from in town, but it is available in the hair store. I think in the hair store is like $105, and in the store that I bought it, it's $110. So it's like literally not that much of a difference. So I did already open it because I wanted to see, you know, what it was looking like. This is it. This is the frontal, and yeah, I accidentally got a hole in it, but luckily it's a little bit away from the where the hair actually starts, so that shouldn't be a problem. But the curls are so cute. The hair is by, I can't pronounce it, but this is the brand right here. It's a Dominican 7. It's 100% human hair and pre-dye and pre-perm. So this is the curl right here, guys. I am in love. So the pack comes with a total of 6 bundles, 2 22, 2 20, and 2 18 inches, and it comes with this little frontal right here. We're also going to need a wig cap to store the tracks onto. I have this Q-Fit dome cap. It was $10 in, I feel like it's $10 in any hair store. It literally just looks like this. Okay, so I got the Ocean Curl in the color 1. This is what it looks like. So we're also going to need a mannequin head. Mine has this little attachment thing so that I can attach it to the edge of a table. So I'm just going to attach that really quick. We're going to need some weaving thread. This is the needle that we're going to be using, and we are going to need some T-pins. So I'm just going to line the wig cap with the lines on the mannequin head, and I'm just going to pin them down so that it does not move. So we're going to pretend that this is my huge forehead at the front here, and that is the back of my head. Let's start. I already went off camera and bleached the knots on this frontal. If you guys want to see that, please check out my how to bleach a frontal video. I'll have that link down in the description box, and probably have a card pop up as well. So you want to pin the frontal about an inch to 1.5 inches in front of the wig cap, and I'm just going to pin that in place. I'm going to ensure that the edge of the frontal meets the edge of the wig cap. We're also going to need scissors. I forgot to mention that. We're going to tie a knot and we're just going to start sewing. To create the first knot, I'm just going to send the needle through the middle of the thread and pull as tight as possible. For extra security, I'm just going to repeat that one more time. Now I'm just going to sew as normal. However, I'm going to send the needle through the loop and pull, and we're just going to repeat that all the way around. Okay, once the frontal is installed, this is what it should look like. It should be as flat as possible. This is what it looks like when the hair is down. Now I'm just going to tie the hair away and we're going to move to the back of the cap. I'm going to go in with this concealer just to mark the places that I want the tracks to lay. And this would depend on how thick you want your wig to be, but I don't want mine to be too thick. So I'm only going to be using 4 bundles. So I'm just going to draw the lines accordingly. Once that's finished, I am just going to go ahead and measure, and like I said, I'm just going to be using 4 bundles, 2 20 inches and 2 18 inches. So I'm just going to measure and cut the tracks. Now I'm going to start installing the first track. I'm just going to pin it down and we're going to repeat the sewing technique that I demonstrated earlier on the frontal. When sewing, you want to ensure that the track is pulled as tight as possible because we want the wig to be as flat as possible. Okay, once we get to the end, instead of just sending the needle through the loop, we're going to twist about 2 times and then send the needle through the loop and pull as tight as possible. I'm also going to just add an extra knot just to ensure that the track is as secure as possible. Now I'm just gonna cut the thread. To make life easier, I'm just gonna go ahead and pin all the tracks onto the cap so that I can just continue sewing without interruption. Now I'm just going to tie it away and continue sewing on the sharks. Okay, we have just a few tracks left to install, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sew them on off camera. Now that they are installed, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to take out the pins, and now we're going to put down the frontal, and we're just gonna comb everything all together. So this is the hair that we have remaining from the 4 bundles, and this is what the wig looks like. This is what the frontal should look like. If you guys want to see how I go ahead and pluck and install this wig, please stay tuned for my next video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.